Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to list a house in Airbnb to start making money. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to Airbnb and then you need to go to the profile page, and then at the bottom when you scroll down you will see something called list your space in the hosting section. Click on it and you want to start a new listing by create a new listing, and it will make you to answer a few questions. So I will hit get started. So it would ask you to either match with a superhost that they can guide you, or you can start on your own. I would put start on your own. And first you need to tell us about the place that you want to list, either a apartment or either it a condo or a like a boat house. So you have to choose the ones that best describe your places. Let's say I want to list a house, right? And then I'm gonna click on next. And after that, it will ask you to either listing like entire place, or you just gonna list like just a room or maybe a share room in a hotel. You're gonna choose whatever match your house. So let's say I put I'm gonna list the entire place, and then click next. And then it would ask you to enter the address, right? So let's say I want to list a house in like French or somewhere else, like Paris, I say. So yeah, basically you just have to enter the address, and you will be able to locate the space. So you need to go to several questionnaires that they have, and once you are finished, you will be able to submit the request for listing, and Airbnb will accept you. Otherwise, when you are not finished and you want to save it, you can always hit save and exit, and then click on exit, and then you can always come back to this section to finish your listing. And that is how you can list a house or a apartment in Airbnb to start making money.